Hello, Slavko and Slavek. I'm Jura, your cousin from Croatia. You two are so lucky to be part of European Football Championships. As you can see, I wear a blue dress decorated with little red cubes which are recognized in sports world. All football fans in Croatia believe in our team and their leadership, Slavek and Football is an excellent way to show strength. Bye! Hi again! I'm Jura. I live in Budaševa place near Sisak, and this is my old Posevian house. I like flowers and honey, but all my free time I spend on playground with my friends playing football. Bye! Hi, it's me again. This is our solar system, and there is an Earth. I send the best wishes in all 16 football teams and to all fans. See you soon. Bye.
Može.